Ford Explorer HVAC blower motor unboxing. HVAC blower motor. Tools required for removing and installing the Ford Explorer. Small 7mm short socket. Small 8mm short socket. Small extension bar. Small electric impact wrench. Open the front passenger door. Locate the 3 mounting screws for the lower passenger side dashboard trim panel. They are located, one on the right side, one on the left side. One inside a hole in the trim panel. Use a small 7mm short socket, a small extension bar, and a small electric impact wrench to remove the 3 mounting screws from the lower passenger side dashboard trim panel. Remove the screw. Remove the screw. The third screw is located in the innermost part of the lower trim panel. There is a hole here. We insert the tool through this hole. Insert the tool through the hole. Remove the screw. After removing all the mounting screws, remove the lower passenger side dashboard trim panel. Disconnect the footwell light connector. Remove the trim panel. Unplug the blower motor connector. Use a small 8mm short socket and a small electric impact wrench to remove the blower motor mounting screw. Remove the screw and the cover plate. Rotate the blower motor. Comparison between the old and new HVAC blower motor. The reason for replacing the blower motor is that the old one is faulty, causing the air conditioning not to cool and no air to blow. When installing the new blower motor, align it with this slot at the top. Align it with the mounting hole. Install the new blower motor. After aligning the slot, rotate the blower motor to lock it in place. Install the vent opening. When installing the vent opening, align it with this groove. Slide it in along the groove. Then install the mounting screw. Use a small 8mm short socket and a small electric impact wrench to tighten the blower motor mounting screw. Reconnect the blower motor connector. Reinstall the lower passenger side dashboard trim panel. Reconnect the footwell light connector. Align it with the mounting holes and place it in position. Install the mounting screw. Install the second mounting screw. Install the third mounting screw. This mounting screw is located in the innermost hole. Use a small 7mm short socket, a small extension bar, and a small electric impact wrench to tighten the 3 mounting screws for the lower passenger side dashboard trim panel. Close the front passenger door.